Okay, so the first exercise that we're going to talk about is in order to strengthen and support the arch. How we're going to do that is by laying down a towel. You'll most likely put it in a vertical if it was this shape, or horizontal if it was a bath towel, for example. We're going to place our foot onto the towel, and the idea is to squish the towel under the toes. Squish, release, squish, release. So we're gathering up the towel and moving it underneath of us. And then you would repeat 3 times on both sides. So working both feet, one at a time, repeating this exercise 3 times each side. This is going to be beneficial for people who are experiencing falling arches or have flat feet. This exercise can be performed while you're standing up, or it can also be performed when you're sitting on a chair, making sure that the angle of your leg is at 90 degrees.